Hello, welcome back. So today we are working on a Lennox package rooftop unit. This unit is serving a restaurant. The front of the restaurant where the customers have lunch and breakfast. And this unit is having an issue with the heat. So we're gonna open the electrical panel first, and then we're gonna check everything. Let's get started. Okay, so I have turned off the power right now, and I also have removed the R wire from this thermostat terminal, the thermostat R wire, because this unit thermostat is set to automatic, and one time it is heating, and suddenly when the temperature goes above the heating set limit, the AC starts, because it's all the open area and the heat comes from the kitchen. So that's why I have removed the R wire. And let's discuss the sequence of operation of this unit before doing anything. So first thing first, call for heat. The switch between R to W1 closes in the thermostat, and our venter motor starts. We also call it a pre-purge, so it runs for a few seconds, and there is an air proving switch, which we also call it a pressure switch. It should be open before starting the venter motor, and once the venter motor is started, it should close, and the control board, since all the safeties are closed, like a high limit, roll out, high limit, and pressure switch. And then trial of ignition starts. In the trial of ignition, the gas valve opens, and at the same time we get the spark from the control board to the igniter at the first burner. And once we have the flame travels through from first burner to the last of burner, and here the flame sensors sense the flame and sends the microamp signal to the board, and the flame stays on. And after a few seconds, the blower motor kicks in, and that's how the cycle remains steady. And so let's start. I have jumped between R to W and removed the R wire, which I have already explained, and so we'll check why this unit is not heating. Okay, so R to W1 is jumped. Let's turn on the power. Venter motor started. And our control board light is blinking, which is normal. So this is pre-purge. By this time the pressure switch is closed now. And once the control board sense all the safeties are okay, I heard the click. Oh, I smell the gas is coming out from this, but no spark. I did not hear any spark. So this will go on its second attempt now. I think we are not getting any spark. Let's concentrate. Yeah, I heard the gas valve clicked, but no spark. So this is 2012 as the unit serial number says. So now it will go on its third attempt. Looks like we have some sort of issue with the control board, because it's not generating the spark. Yeah, third attempt. Heard the click at the gas valve, but no spark. So we have to turn this unit off. Let's turn on the power first. So we have a faulty control board and we have to replace it. So this unit is rental, this restaurant is using. So basically we own that unit, our company own that unit. So I need no approval from the customer. So I'm gonna get the control board and we'll come back. Okay, so we are back with the new control board from the LENNOX, and we're gonna replace it and go from here. Okay, I just wanna show you something. So if we have enough room with the wire, then I do like this. So I just remove all the screw of the control board mounting, and then I place the new control board, put the screw and remove the wire one by one and place them on their respective terminal, or otherwise we can also take the picture. So that's the better way to do, and we will inspect this control board after. Let's install the new one. Okay, let's inspect the control board here. If you see at the back side here, I can see it's a black mark, black spot there. I think it's burnt. And right behind this portion we have a spark connection. So that was faulty. So I think you can have a better look here. So new control board back in. I have connected all the wires. Only this one was remaining. Okay. Okay. So looks like everything is connected, and let's give it a try. And then after that we will verify if the gas pressure is fine. Venter motor is running, the LED is blinking like a normal, and we will have the ignition if everything goes okay. And all the burners are working. The flame is nice and blue. Last time water can go inside the motor because it's generating the negative pressure. See, all the rainwater. Okay. Okay, so I just want to test gas pressure, if it is going the right amount of the gas pressure to the gas to the burner. So this unit is 2-stage, and we have the spec on the label here. It says 3.4, I think 3.4 or 3.7. So, and the first stage should be 1.6 water column, and the incoming, which we are not checking, I think is every time it's okay. So this is the incoming supply from the city. That should be minimum 4.7 for the first stage. 10.5 is too much, I think. So should be like this. So, and one more thing, when we are testing on the first stage, the jumper should be between R to W1, which we already have set. And for the second stage, the jumper should be between R to W1 and W2. So 3 terminals should be jumped: W1, W2 and R for the second stage. And if we jump between R to W2 directly, it will not work. Okay, let's start the unit. When the motor started, my manometer is connected to the manifold side of the port at the gas valve, and we can adjust the gas pressure through these 2 ports, and it says high here and low. So we are testing the first stage, so that would be our port now. That should be 1.6. We are a little bit over, but reduce it and monitor. Second stage is looking okay. Our motor is running. Okay, now we're gonna test to the second stage. Okay, let's check to the second stage gas pressure. So I have put my W2 wire with the W1, and let's turn it on. Manometer turn off. And this is gonna be the adjustable port for second stage. Okay, we have ignition. Pressure should be 3.7. As you can see, it's too high. This looks okay. So it was like a 4. Cover back. Now we are okay. So excess gas pressure can cause the heat exchanger to crack, and the flame sensor and the igniter has been replaced. But right now both are working fine. Everything is okay. So let's close the unit. Okay, that's it for now. Unit is working fine. I see a lot of people are watching without like a non-subscriber to my channel, so please subscribe so that I can keep posting the new video of troubleshooting. Thank you for watching. See you next time.